safe, you should totally go raging.
All right, Elliot, George, Arthur, Dave. All right, driver. Turn marshal's ready. Driver's ready. We're racing on the tour. All right, guys. This is the A main, guys. The fastest drivers in stock we got tonight. All right, Joseph. That's the strategy. Get the one and drive it like it's a big white car. Drive like Mr. Chow's all over the place. Looks like he's not capitalizing on that. All right, drivers. All right. Blue car's your one. Your TQ, fastest man of the night. Joseph trying to deny him. Right there, it's going to be tough. I think he might be down a couple horse. Right there, he's going to have to win it in the infield, as they would say. All right, drivers, all right. I touched Mendoza's car. Let's see if he made it better or worse. All right, drivers, all right. 1 down, 3 to go, guys. 1 down, 3 to go. Oh, the back of the front of the pack, battling it out. Blue car, pink car there, guys. That's first and second. Oh, Joseph Russo won. Joseph with an 8.66. Joseph's been saving those fast laps. All right, maybe he was playing awesome. All right, I think that's correct. Saying, go down back straight, and those are the 3 D99. All right, guys, right there, guys. Pink blue, that's 1 and 2 right there. Pink blue. Come down back straight. All right, drives, all right. 2 out. A-main is 5 minutes, guys. A-main is 5 minutes. 3.5 on the clock, guys. 3.5 on the clock. All right, guys, all right. 5 minutes, guys. 3:20 to go. Joseph holding his own right now. Arthur, 8-8. Pink car, blue car right there, guys. Pink car, blue car. That's first and second. Come under the bridge.
Right.
All right, guys. Oh, Joseph, unforced error. Oh, double unforced error, 1 lap. That is not a good thing if you're wondering. All right. Arthur now is going to have to try to ride this lucky break to victory. Please do not interfere with the blue car unless you do not like him. Blue car's your 1. Pink, gray, your 2. Joseph dropping a 888. All right, guys. Joseph here. Not bad, Joseph. 2.7. Still 2.5 on the clock. 2.5 on the clock. A lot of time. Dean, Teresa, same lap. 8/10 apart. Pink, bright pink car, yellow car. Right there's your battle. All right, Joseph, 2.7. Still got 2 on the clock. All right, guys, all right. Your next closest battle right here, guys, is bright pink car and the yellow car for a second there. All right, Mendoza's your 3.91. All right, guys, all right. Pink, oh, Joseph, same corner, deja vu. Looks like modified A-main, guys. Cars are twice as fast. Coming up next, twice as fast right there. All right, Teresa, 9.5D. Oh, sweeper. Deep right there. Upside down. 90 seconds, drive. 90 seconds. All right, Joseph. The unforced error is hurting him right now. Oh. We might have to call the rhythm to Joseph now. All right, Joseph. Joseph going through the Joseph. Oh, man. We haven't named the corner after someone, but rightfully so tonight. Joseph. Yeah, we just finished the whole Joseph. Now we got part Joseph. 50 seconds, guys. Joseph is 4.5 back. With 50 to go. Modified A-main coming up next. Arthur had, oh, looks like the husband and wife move right there. Oh, man. Nice. Dave hanging out. Dave right there wearing your proper t-shirt today. Last time they wore a t-shirt with a parrot. All right, not proper. All right, guys, 25 seconds on the clock. Modified A-main coming up next, guys, twice as fast. Arthur had a small scare in this one. Teddy also a small scare. But right now, it looks like they could breathe a little bit. 10 on the clock. Joseph put up a good fight, but could not avoid the Joseph. Right there. Oh, man. All right, guys, all right. When you cross, you are done. Arthur with the hammer time W right there. Good race, guys. Good race. Crowd going crazy. Crowd going crazy. Nice, nice. Looks like they do not like Arthur. That's why the crowd not going.